apologize again for such little choppy videos for right now, but I think they'll get better as time goes on. And we have to say, after we made our glibc temporary build directory, you have to be there. We're there. 6.9. I think. Okay. Let's first start a case statement. Backticks. Uname dash m. Okay. I'm going to say in I x86 echo. I need to say C flags plus or equal to machine architecture is equal to I486. Machine tune is going to equal native. Okay. And we have to say this is an O. Okay, not a 0, but an O as an Oscar. O3 dash pipe, please. Okay. We have to say into config parms. Double semis. Let's read that out. C flags plus or equal to machine architecture I486 M2 native dash O Oscar pipe. Okay. And then we say ESAC to close it. That case statement. Okay. That's on the configuring glibc. So we will say glibc 213 configure prefix equals user this time. Okay. New line. Disable profile. Enable add once. Okay. Enable kernel 2.6.22.5. Okay. Libexe c directory be equal to user lib glibc. Okay, let's check that out. N over E and exe. Okay. And we got a B over L and enable. Okay. Alright. We'll run that. Should only take a second. And after this we cannot say make and make install. We just have to say make. And hopefully you get no errors on the make. And after the make it's done, we have to copy over. Before running test, we have to test in this one, okay? As you see here, right under make it says important. In this section, the test suite for glibc is considered critical. Do not skip it under any circumstances, okay? So before running the test, copy a file from the source tree into our build tree to prevent a couple of test failures. Then test the results. So that's what we do with copy glibc icon vdata. Okay, we'll get into that. Then we have to say make k check, and then we have to grab out the errors. So that's it for right now. I'll catch you in